In a world shaped by innovation and progress, where the boundaries of technology are constantly pushed and the future unfolds before our very eyes, join us on a journey into the heart of the future as we explore the application of AI in the future world. Discover how artificial intelligence will revolutionize every aspect of our lives. The possibilities are limitless, from healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment. Learn about the breakthroughs happening right now and envision a world where AI truly transforms our future. Prepare to be amazed. Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence, from the bustling metropolis to the farthest corners of the earth and beyond. The future is bright, and it's a future where AI isn't just a tool. It's a trusted companion on our journey. The future is here. AI is changing everything. So fasten your seatbelts, because the application of AI in the future world is about to take you on an unforgettable ride. Get ready to explore the endless possibilities as we dive headfirst into the boundless realm of artificial intelligence. The future of AI holds boundless promise and potential as it continues to revolutionize nearly every facet of our lives. Advancements in machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning algorithms are accelerating at an unprecedented pace, enabling AI systems to perform increasingly complex tasks with remarkable efficiency and accuracy. From autonomous vehicles and medical diagnostics to personalized education and financial forecasting, AI is poised to enhance our daily experiences and drive innovation across industries. However, this rapid progress also raises important ethical and societal questions, such as the responsible use of AI, data privacy, and the potential for job displacement. Striking the right balance between harnessing AI's capabilities for the betterment of humanity while addressing these challenges will be a defining aspect of the future of AI. With careful stewardship and thoughtful regulation, AI has the potential to be a transformative force for good, improving our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to revolutionize numerous fields in the future world, and its applications are already reshaping various industries. Here are 5 major fields where AI is expected to have a profound impact in the future. Number 1, healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare by enhancing diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with high accuracy, enabling earlier disease detection. Predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms are used to identify potential health risks and personalize treatment plans. Additionally, chatbots and virtual health assistants are improving patient engagement and reducing administrative burdens on healthcare professionals. Number 2, autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and autonomous vehicles are prominent applications of AI in the transportation industry. AI algorithms, combined with sensors and cameras, enable vehicles to perceive their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and navigate safely. The development of autonomous vehicles has the potential to reduce accidents, traffic congestion, and energy consumption. Number 3, finance and fintech. AI is revolutionizing the finance sector by automating tasks like fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Chatbots and virtual financial advisors provide personalized financial advice and customer support. AI-powered credit scoring models help expand access to financial services for underserved populations. Furthermore, blockchain and AI together have the potential to reshape the way financial transactions are conducted and secured. Number 4, education. AI is transforming education by offering personalized learning experiences. Intelligent tutoring systems adapt content to individual student needs, improving comprehension and retention. Additionally, AI can automate administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus more on teaching. AI-driven data analytics help educational institutions make data-informed decisions to enhance curriculum and student outcomes. Number 5, Environmental sustainability. AI plays a crucial role in addressing environmental challenges. It enables the efficient management of resources, such as energy and water, by optimizing consumption and reducing waste. AI is used in climate modeling to predict and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Furthermore, it assists in wildlife conservation by analyzing data from cameras and sensors to track and protect endangered species. These are just a few examples of how AI is expected to impact various fields in the future world. The rapid advancement of AI technology and its integration into different sectors hold the promise of improving efficiency, solving complex problems, and enhancing the overall quality of life. However, ethical and regulatory considerations must accompany this progress to ensure responsible and equitable AI deployment. It's important to note that the development and adoption of AI technologies also raise ethical, societal, and economic challenges that must be addressed as AI continues to advance. The future of AI will depend on how these challenges are managed and how society harnesses the potential of AI for the benefit of all. As we conclude our journey, we're left with a profound sense of wonder and excitement. The future is indeed bright, and AI is at the heart of this transformative journey. From healthcare to transportation, education to finance, and environmental sustainability. The possibilities are boundless, but let us not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical, societal, and economic challenges posed by AI are real, and they demand our attention. Together, we can shape a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a trusted companion on our journey, a force for good that enriches our lives and empowers us all. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable ride. The future is here, and with the right guidance, artificial intelligence holds the promise of a brighter, more equitable, and more exciting future for us all. Goodbye for now, but remember, the adventure continues.